Hello, Peter.
Hello, teacher. Yeah.
Yes, how are you?
I'm great.
Wow, that's really nice, Peter. Okay, what's the weather right now, Peter?
It is sunny.
Very good. Okay, so what did you do this morning?
I go to my school.
Oh, really? Do you still go to school? Why is that? Is that for summer camp?
No, no, I go to learn more how to make a robot.
Ah, very good. So just a summer class in making a robot, right? Nice. Okay. So this time, Peter, we're going to continue. You're going to write the animals below each row. So what are the animals that run? You put it, example, mouse. What else? Do kangaroos run? No, they don't.
No, the
So
kangaroo jump,
kangaroos hop and jump. Okay. So what about a bat? How does it move?
but it is uh, swing. Is fly.
It flies. Very good. Okay, what are the other animals that run here, Peter?
Need fly.
What is that? A watch?
An
Oh, very
O.
good, because you've got a new watch, Peter.
No, an
Wow.
O glass.
Nice, Peter. Okay. Now, what about other animals that run? Can you tell me more animals that run?
Runner is goat.
The goat runs. Great. What else?
Mm, mm,
Anything
and
else?
watch me a minute, a zebra.
That's right, a zebra. And even a penguin can even run. Okay, what about the animal that fly?
Fly is bat. Uh,
Nice.
bee.
Great job. Okay, what about an animal that jump?
Ăn xong rồi để đó hả?
What is it?
Watch me a minute.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. What about the animals that jump?
A kangaroo.
Wow. Okay. Animals that swim.
Jellyfish.
What's that?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish and the crocodile too. What else? Anything else?
Mm, bat. No, 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 no. A dolphin.
Dolphin. Anything else?
Mm, a penguin can swim too.
That's right. Very good. Okay, now what about the animal that can hop?
A crocodile.
A crocodile. Can it hop? I think no.
No, no,
It
no, no.
cannot.
A kangaroo.
A kangaroo. Very good. Even the penguin can hop. Now this time, Peter, I want you to fill in more animals as much as possible. Okay, look. Let me put dog in here.
Chim
Give
cối.
me two animals. Oh, four more animals that can run.
Dog. Cat. Mm, lion, leopard,
Very good. What about animals that can fly? Give me four.
eagle, dragon, bird,
And
a parrot. No,
parrot. Very good.
yeah, parrot.
Okay. Now, what about animals that jump?
Con kẹo chim ăn ngoài đó. Lấy gì? Lấy nguyên một nấm à?
We have frog. What else?
Frog. Um,
Cat can jump too.
cat.
What else? What other
Who is
animals can
talking?
jump? What's that?
Who is talking?
Who? What do you mean who is talking?
Your sister is your sister talking.
Oh, can you see that? Can you hear that?
Yes.
Ah, really? Maybe her voice is very loud. She's actually in the living room. She's talking to my mom. Yes, that is
Teacher,
Matmat's
where is
mother. Oh, Matmat, I don't know where Matmat is. I think he's in the living room too.
huh? She or he?
He.
He.
He's in the living room too. Oh, wow. Matmat is here right now because he heard you looking for him.
Where is he?
Yes. Yeah, he's here right now, just in my bedroom. On my bedroom. He's on my bedroom. Do you want to see him or
Yes.
no? Okay, come here,
Yes.
Matmat. Come here, Matmat, faster. Hurry up. Hey, come here. Go closer.
Hello, Mama.
Hi.
How are you today?
You try to cook. Good. Don't move
Good.
that.
Where
You try
is
to ask
your
question.
dinosaur?
Peter's talking about animal. We're
What?
talking about animals. Wow.
Where is your dinosaur?
I got it in the
What is he
bedroom.
say? Where is your dinosaur?
Yeah,
Where is your dinosaur?
dinosaur. My dinosaur is in my bed.
In your bed?
Yes.
So where is your mom?
It's buying some um rice. Oh, she's going somewhere? Yes.
Huh?
Okay, you say bye-bye to
Goodbye.
Peter. Bye-bye,
Goodbye.
Peter. You say have a great class.
Goodbye, Mama. Good
Have a
night.
great class. Oh my God, he almost fell. Anyway, okay, now let's continue, Peter. So in here, Peter, what other animals that can jump?
Mm. Um, dog. Dog.
Okay, we have frog, cat. What else?
Dog.
Dog. Nice. Anything else, Peter? One more.
Dog. 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 Good
What's duck? Duck like quack, 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 quack.
dog. Dog. Go. Go. A dog.
Goat?
A
Oh,
dog.
a dog. The dog. Very good. Okay. What about other animals that can
See,
swim?
can you see me when I learn kindergarten?
Uh-huh.
This is
Oh,
me.
really? That's you?
Um,
Oh,
yes, this
wow. You look so cute. Yeah, I make it bigger so that I can see you. Oh, so you graduated from kindergarten. Great. Okay, so how old were you, Peter, when you learned English?
can you see it?
Of course I can. Your face is still the same. Yes. Okay, how old were you, Peter, when you learned English?
3 years old. I learned English when I
Wow. Oh, almost the same as Matt. He learned English when he was 1 year and 6 months. Yes. Okay. Now let's
Sister, do you
what?
know? Do you know Duolingo?
Dolin girl?
Duolingo. Uh,
What is that?
um, uh, English game.
Oh, I don't know. I don't play games.
No, it's not a game. It's a a study game.
Bingo?
Duolingo. I
I
write it
don't
for you.
know. Okay, sure. But I'm not familiar with it.
Teacher, wait me a minute.
Sure.
Can you erase
Sure.
a new?
Oh, Duolingo, right?
Duolingo.
Okay. I don't
I
know how
get
to play this game. How do you
a
play
set
this?
of math.
What?
I get a sound of math.
I don't understand.
I no, I listen a sound of math.
You want to listen to Matmat sound?
No, I listen it.
Oh, you heard Matmat's voice. Really? That's so sensitive. Oh, really, Peter? What else can you hear in my background, Peter? It's only you who is very sensitive to the background noises. What other background noises can you hear? Can you hear the dog?
No, I can only hear you and math.
Oh, but Matmat is not here right now anymore.
Huh?
Yeah, can you still hear him?
No.
Yeah, because he went away to the living room now. But earlier when
Uh,
you said that you could hear him, he was here beside me. Okay. So anyway, Peter, what was the game Duolingo was all about? Was it all about two languages?
no, many language.
All right. So how many languages do you know, Peter?
I just know he is Vietnamese and Alan is English.
Very good. Wow, Peter. Okay. Now let's continue in here. All right. Now, what other animals can swim?
Teacher, can you see a picture of me? No, my dad.
Yeah,
This is me.
let me see. Oh, yeah, wow, your walls. Have many
I touch
pictures of you.
the dolphin.
How old were you when you were wearing a yellow t-shirt?
I don't know, but no, this picture I touch the dolphin in
Ah,
I
very good. In an island. Wow.
not not island.
What?
I don't know. Let's see.
What's that? Let me see.
Can you see?
Yeah. Oh, but it is in Vietnamese, so I don't know how to read it.
A
It's all
land,
right.
a land, uh, over the sea.
Oh, yeah, that is an island. A land that
Island.
is surrounded by the sea is what we call an island. Yes. Okay, well, that's really great, Peter. Did the dolphin bite you? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Did it bite you?
By you, no, near.
Or did the dolphin bite you? Like,
No, no, no. The
no, very good.
dolphin kiss.
Ah, wow, that's how sweet dolphins are. Okay,
He is
now,
a teacher of dolphin.
oh, very good. Yeah, so that dolphin was trained how to be friendly with people. Okay, now let's look at this one, Peter. I want you to look and read. In reading and writing part one,
Fly a tip. Reading and writing part one. You have to write You have to write each answer using exactly the same word in the possible answer. For example, is this is this in no no in this task an autobus one remind them to check spelling the weather to work are singular or plural.
very good. So do you understand the flyer step?
Mm,
Yes or
mm,
no?
I understand
Very good.
50%.
Oh, you just understand the bottom part of the tip,
No,
right?
70%.
70% of it. So I'll make it into 100. Okay, so next page, we're going to have a reading and writing. You're going to read and write your answer. You have to make sure that all spellings are correct. Then be mindful whether the word is only one or many, which is singular or plural. And you have to write the word according to the choices. If the choices says school bus, you have to write school bus. All right?
All right,
So
I
that's
understand.
how the flyer tip is. Okay. So
90%.
let's look at let's look at this one. Look and read, then choose the correct word and write it. So look, there is one example. This wild animal usually has gray fur, and when it feels frightened, it hops away very quickly. What is it?
Rabbit.
Very good. Okay, what about this one? This is an insect that works hard to make honey.
Bottle. No, butterfly.
Try again. This is an insect that works hard to make money. Honey.
Mm, a bee.
That's right, a bee. Okay, what about here? This animal has a long neck and can carry heavy bags for a long
Uh,
time in a hot and dry
camel.
places. Very good. It is a camel. Now, what about this one? These big birds are usually white. They have long necks and live near rivers and lakes.
A bird.
Yeah, and it's beautiful.
Flamingo. Have long neck. What? How it say?
That's not. Hmm. Yeah, what is it?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, these are actually swans.
Swan.
Okay, now what about in here? This animal lives in the sea and has 8 long arms.
Alaba. Alaba. What is Mat singing?
Okay, what are you saying? So, Matmat, this animal lives in the sea and it has 8 long arms. It's what?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. It's a giraffe.
Wow.
This animal lives in the sea and it has 8 long arms. What is it? It lives in the sea, in the ocean. It's purple.
It's an octopus.
That's right, giraffe. Yes, it's an octopus. Okay, now your turn, Peter. These have wings with lots of different colors on them. Shh,
A butterfly.
very good. Okay, now look. They fly and sit on plants and flowers. Oh,
A
how about
turtle.
it's still a butterfly. What about this? This is large, white, furry animal and it lives in cold countries.
Polar bear.
Nice. And lastly, this creature walks very slowly and has a large shell on its
Oh,
back.
tortoise.
Wow, a tortoise. Okay, what is a tortoise, Peter?
This is my cousin.
Oh, I thought that she's already leaving your house last week. I remember you told me that your cousin gonna leave your house last week, right?
I I don't know. Hello. Hello.
Ah, all right. Yes. Okay, well, that's nice. It's good to see her again. So well done for this, Peter. You've got a perfect score. Now, think of an animal. Let's play a game. Okay, this animal lives on many plants. It eats plants and leaves. It is an insect. It's got green color. What is it?
Frog.
It's a
A frog.
try again. Okay,
Mm,
this animal lives on plants. They eat leaves,
what is
flowers,
plant?
and other plants. It is an insect and it
Oh,
becomes a butterfly when it's an adult.
a caterpillar.
Very good. It's
Oh,
a
I hear my
caterpillar. Okay, now what
it's
about this
my
one? Yeah, Mama is right here. Okay,
I hear my say caterpillar.
yeah. Okay, sorry for that, Peter. So, Peter, what kind of animal is a beetle?
Insect.
That's right. Where does a beetle live?
Beetle live on a leaf.
Very good. Okay, what does it eat?
It is a smaller, a smaller insect.
That's right. And it even eats Plants. Yes. Okay, now what does it look like?
I don't know.
Okay, it looks small. It has got
It's
6
small and
legs.
it has 6 legs.
That's right. Does it have spots or stripes? Wings? Then how does it move?
Some have wings and some bottles don't have wings.
Very good. Okay, how do they move? They
They
fly.
fly.
Very good. Now, your turn. I want you to think of an animal. You tell me where does it live? Tell me something about it, then I will guess the animal. You can do it, Peter.
This animal is in sands. No. No. This animal is a bird. It can fly. It have a white head and a black wings. It's very big and a king of all birds.
Is it an eagle?
Yes.
Wow. I didn't know that eagle is the king of animals, Peter. Okay. Now let's look at this one, Peter. What does the eagle eat?
The eagle eat meat.
That's right. Okay.
Some,
Now,
sometimes the eagle can eat rabbit or fish.
that's right. And the eagle can fly so high, right? Great, Peter. So, Peter, it's already time. So, we will just end here. Okay. Thank you so much for joining our class. I hope to see you this Friday. Bye bye, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher. See you next time.
Bye. See you. Bye.